Guys, I think Liza bought me a gift.
I know you've been wanting these.
Oh my god. Are these the ones I wanted?
Yeah, a pair of white Vans, right?
A pair of white Vans?
Yeah.
Yes, come on, come on. Oh, a pair of white Vans! Nice fingernails, you little hand-painted bitch.
You're just jealous because when I jerk off, it's like I'm getting jerked off by a girl.
Huh?
Huh?
Guys, Don may have just gotten the coolest toy ever. Look at this. Yeah. How'd you even afford this?
Hard work.
You stole it?
Yep.
Yep. Did you ever experiment with drugs?
Sure.
Yeah, he went through that time. I was on Nickelodeon.
I'm a child star. It's in the pamphlet you get.
What's up, guys? So we just found out that Vardon's fish, Yellow, has passed away. Vardon was obviously super hurt by this, so his family is calling us over to comfort him.
What happened?
Oh, hi. Yellow is dying.
We came to pay our respects to Yellow.
Vardon, can you reenact your crying for me?
I can't cry anymore. All my tears are gone.
You were a really cool fish, and you were Vardon's first friend.
What do you have to say about the fish?
Yellow was a very good fish. He had a very good heart. We have to remember you.
He did have a good heart. You remember Christmas? Remember that? Remember when you got me that tie? And I'd wanted. I'd seen it at Macy's, and he went out and he waited in line. God damn it, I love that fish!
We'll always remember Yellow. He'll always be in our hearts.
Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. With everything you do. And his name was Yellow. Vardon had no friends.
On the edge of tonight, 'cause tomorrow will be only the world on my scars. I've got a tune, there's a fire in my heart, and I can't stop it burning down. On the edge of tonight, 'cause tomorrow will be only the world you know, like pure white gold.
You're their mom?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Oh, wow, you're beautiful.
Oh, man.
I'll give you
See, I told you the meet and greet was worth the money. Okay.
So you call VIP.
You don't have a husband anymore, right? As in you divorced?
She's like, not anymore.
God damn it, where's my wife?
Oh my god.
Looky. Who do we have here?
Hello.
Did you come for another kiss?
Oh, she's been talking about it.
Oh my god. Reunited. Oh god. Zane, you're getting too comfortable. What do you want to do for today's vlog?
I don't know, dog.
Let's get your nose pierced.
Absolutely fucking not.
Let's get your nose pierced.
No.
Jason.
David.
You want to help the vlog or not?
I don't know, dog.
Jason, deal or no deal?
Oh, no, I have to fucking do it.
I hate you, David! Did you get it, David?
I don't know. It's beautiful. Liza!
David, get over her. Usually people get pissed off. They'd see their ex on a billboard, be like, fucking bitch, she's not worth it. He's like, dude, how sick is it? My ex-girlfriend is, look at her.
Hey, that's my ex-girlfriend up there. She's hot. Guys, that's my ex-girlfriend. Look, that's his ex-girlfriend right there. Are you guys high?
I'm feeling this shit right now.
Yeah.
Jason, there's something wrong with your engine.
Great.
There's something wrong with your engine.
God damn it, this piece of shit.
What's up, guys? So I never really went to college, and I never really had a moving day. So today we're moving our friend Olivia into her first day at college.
Are you so excited?
I don't know. Olivia, prepare to be moved in.
I'm ready.
My little girl is growing up.
I remember when she was like this.
You gonna miss her? You owe us for this, by the way. This isn't free.
I owe you. Are you kidding?
Come on, hon. Let's get you all moved in. I hope I don't get emotional.
All right, let's get to the
I
room.
think Dad might have to go number 2, drop a few friends off at the lake, Olivia.
Stop, Dad.
Jesus Christ, $56,000 a year and the elevator's broken? Are you kidding me? I still don't understand why you couldn't go on to online college.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I told myself I wasn't gonna cry. It's just so sad to see you go.
Jason, she's not your real daughter.
Oh, yeah, right.
Sidestep into the room.
Okay, hang on a second. Okay, hang on, guys. I'm stuck. Got you a little something for the semester.
Dad, that is weird.
And I brought a little bit of something for you. You can share with your friends if you want. If not, you can keep it to yourself. But if it was me, I would definitely keep it for myself. But, well. Right, so.
Yeah.
That's a $20,000 value on the street.
I feel wrong touching it. Is this actually real?
No.
Oh.
It's your first semester.
Yep.
Want to make a good impression on the people that come. Seth, put the cocaine down. Oh, my bad. I got you something. All right, open your eyes. Happy college.
Oh my god!
It's actually a really good pic of me. I'm surprised I'm giving this to you for free.
I'm a little jealous. Welcome to the first day of the rest of our lives!
Yeah! Seth, enough with the blow!
Oh, I'm just helping her unpack.
No, you're not! Trisha, you're drunk. You need to get out of the car.
Can you just come inside, please?
You came inside me last night.
Don't put that in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at you encouraging this behavior. I can't. Oh shit, look at me. God damn it.
Come murder my boyfriend. Don't put that in. What if they actually murder him?
Murder his pussy.
What? Bro, what? Jason bought this brand new sound machine, and Brandon is narrating his life with it.
Brandon is great with the ladies.
David cares about his friends.
Me when I get up out of bed and look in the mirror.
Trisha when her plastic surgeon says he needs to take a week break.
Jason when he uses David as clickbait.
Jason when Trisha broke up with him.
How long you been married? 10 years. 10 years? Would you like me to sing a song to you guys? 10 years! 10 fucking years! Holy shit! I'm gonna fucking stab my eyes out!
That's it.
How's that? Thank you. You're welcome. And that was my experience when I was married.
You think Trisha's hot?
Yeah, she is.
Ooh. The man has good taste.
I have her private snap.
You have Trisha's private Snapchat?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So you pay for her nudes?
How much you pay a month for that?
$10.
Is that true?
Shit. My man, thank you very much. I've traveled to many exotic locations because of him.
That's today's vlog. Thanks for watching, Adam. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tweet me at David Dobrik. Guys, Trisha's really drunk right now, but she has some news.
New
merch! Watch out, Trisha. Oh, she's not.
Oh, David, look how cute this is.
It's adorable. See, Nabil? Okay. You remembered from last time. What's your wife's type?
Rich.
Rich?
Yeah.
So what's she doing with you? Can I do 12 grilled nuggets?
Just the nuggets.
And a giant fat cock.
It's just the same.
Oh my god, is that David?
Man vaping, let it rip, vape away. You gotta vape away. You worked all day, now you're headed home. You're headed home. She watches Netflix late at night, thinking about him, wondering where he is. She's a lesbian, my bad. That's cool too, we all know it's cool.
And here was the little puppy. Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be driving around Los Angeles. Smile for a thumbnail.
Fuck you, David.
Dude, I wonder what he's thinking right now. He's probably like, I wonder who my owner is.
Wait till you fucking see.
We have a surprise for you.
Is it a proposal?
No, come on.
It's like a ring. Is it gonna hurt me for real?
You're all mine.
David!
Put your arms to your side. We're gonna put it on top of you.
No!
Okay. This is from Jason. I'm sorry about this. This wasn't my idea. It's on you. It's on you.
David! Oh, it's... Oh, that's a surprise? That's what you have me blindfold for?
Well, and that cool Gucci bag behind you.
Oh my god, is it an engagement ring? Jesus, what is that? You said it was not an animal, you dumb fuck. Is it a Pomeranian? Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Where did you get this?
Jason got him.
Oh my god, it's so cute. have a dog. Oh my god, it's like living. What do I do? Do I walk it? Like, I have no idea what to do with it. Like, how do I, does it eat? Like,
holy shit. Trisha leaving for the weekend. Okay, I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks. There you go.
I like it though, because it kind of like traps Jason into staying around because he's got to look after the dog.
It's fucking weird.
There's something that I've been keeping a secret for 6 months, and I think the cat's out of the bag a little bit. Moment of truth. Alex! It's been long enough. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, now leave my room.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't actually.
Funny, isn't it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny how the tables turn.
Yeah.
Get out of my room.
Okay.
Pussy.
Howie, what's your favorite joke?
My favorite joke is your air conditioning in this car. I'm sweating like a fucking pig. How come nobody's sweating but me? Did you turn the heat on this seat? Maybe I'm having a stroke. How good would it be for your vlog if I died on your vlog? I think that what is happening is I'm pissing out of every pore of my body. I think I'm actually urinating out of my own face.
Tom, let me see your new do-rag. Look at that.
Don looks like he has a boyfriend that drives a Harley.
If I had to repopulate the earth and your mom was the only woman, would you give me your blessings?
Are you guys married?
No.
Then go fuck yourself.
I used to get picked on in high school. I had flippy hair, so they used to call me Justin Bieber.
Right, yeah, I love that. I love how David's version of getting picked on is by being compared to one of the biggest pop stars in the world.
Hey, loser billionaire!
Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna go down there with my tennis racket. I'm gonna hit the tennis ball, have it bounce off here, and into the bucket. Let's go, baby! Josh, I heard you have a good joke for me.
What happens when a brown chicken has sex with a brown cow?
What?
Brown chicken, brown cow!
No, cash only?
You can PayPal me.
Seriously? Yes. Alex, you asshole. Subway was good, but I mean the best footlong I ever had was Alex's dad.
So gross.
Alex when he finds another girl that's Christian. Trisha look poop. Yeah! Olive Garden wine samples. That's amazing. Ooh. You guys want one?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Okay. And a sample cup.
Cheers, baby.
No, wrong thing. Just drink that. Okay.